Hello everyone. So next question, it is also based on case study, right? But this question is based on scale factor and similarity, right? So see, what is a scale drawing? What is a scale drawing? See, a scale drawing of an object is of the same shape as the object but of a different size. Means that you have already studied the concept of similar figures. You know what is similar figures? Similar figure. Similar figure. Similar figure means what? Similar figure means what? Same shape, same shape, but different size. Got it? So whatever the shape you can see in the figure is given, if you have to make a model of this, then what will you do? The shape will be same, but the size will be different. And what will be the size? It all depends on the scale that is given. Whatever the scale will be given, according to that, we have to draw a figure or you have to make any object as a model. Got it or not? So, scale factor, you have to understand scale factor. Scale factor is what? Scale factor is length in image by corresponding length in object. Right? So, whatever the length of the image will be, suppose the length of the image is 4 cm, then the corresponding length of the object will be what? According to the scale. Suppose if the scale is given 1:4. 1:4. So, if the length in image is 4 cm, the corresponding length will be 4 4 just 16 cm. Got it or not? Yes. If I will say that suppose a house is there. A house is there. Okay. And the original height of the house is 5 meter. The original height of the house is 5 meter, and scale factor is 1:4. What will be the height of a model of the house?
1.1.
Tell me everyone.
1.1.
How are they? Yes, you mean to say that, yes, you say 1.25. It means that you mean to say that you are dividing 5 by 4.
Yes, sir.
5 by 4. And when you will divide 5 by 4, you will get 1.25. Got it? So the height of the model will be 1.25 meter. Got it or not? So whenever you are solving a question based on scale factor, always see the scale whatever is given. This is the main thing. And always think that this is for image and this is for real. It means this is the object and this is the image. If in the question it will be described that no, this is the object and this is the image, according to that you have to solve the question. Clear or not? So let us go ahead and see the question. I can show you a question. See, in question number 18, number 1. In question number 18, number 1, you can see that there is a model of a boat, and this is a model of a boat. Okay, and the scale is given 1:4. In question, what is question? A model of a boat is made on the scale of 1:4. What is the scale?
1:4.
So you note down that the scale is 1:4. Clear? Now the model is 120 centimeter long. The model is 120 centimeter long. The question is the full size of the boat has a width. The full size of the boat has the width is 60 centimeter. 60. Then what is the width of the scale model? Can you tell? What will be the width of the scale model? Say, we'll say
60 by 450.
60 by 415. Very correct. Very correct, because the width of the original board is 60 centimeter and the scale is 1:4. So the width of the model will be 60 divided by 4 and the answer will be 15 centimeter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear everyone? Okay, now move towards next question. See, this question is based on your sense also, that what is the ability of thinking and what is the base of your study of your math book of NCERT. See, the question is what will affect the similarity of any two polygons? 4 options are given. Means, try to understand the question. If two figures are given, suppose this is a two triangle, both are similar or not, how can this be affected? See, so 4 options are given and you have to choose which is correct. Question is, what will affect the similarity of any two polygons? 4 options are: number 1, they are flipped horizontally. Number 1 option is they are flipped horizontally. Number 2 is they are dilated by a scale factor. Dilated means changing. And how they are changing? According to the scale factor. Number 3 is they are translated down. Suppose this is figure is this like and I have down this. So this is called translated down. Okay? They are not the mirror image of one another.
So option number D.
D. Yes, you are right. Similarity can be very badly affected if the mirror image is not same. Got it? Not. If I am putting this book just in front of the mirror, at least the image, either this image will be large or small. It doesn't matter. But the shape should be same. That is, the mirror image should be same. Got it or not? So, if the mirror image is not same, it can affect the similarity of any two polygons or any two objects, you can say also. Got it? Now, number 3. Question number 3 is, if two similar triangles have a scale factor A:B, two similar triangles, see, PQR, two similar triangles are there, right? It is given that two similar triangles are there, and a scale factor is given. The scale factor is given what? A:B. A:B. Now, which statement regarding the two triangles is true? Now, 4 statements are given. You have to say that which statement is true. Think over that. See, the ratio of their perimeter is 3A:B. What do you think? What will be the ratio of their perimeters? The ratio of their perimeter should be also same, A:B. If they are similar triangle, if their scale factor is given A:B, it means whatever you will take, if you will take the area of this by area of this, whatever you will take, everything, the scale factor will be A:B. Got it or not? Because according to this, both are changing. Same figure is that, and everything is changing according to the scale. Okay? So, the ratio of their perimeter is 3A:B is wrong. Now, next option is their altitude have a ratio A:B. Yes. This is the altitude. This is the altitude. Right? If the scale factor is A:B, sure it is going to be A/B. So, this is the true. And C option is that their medians have a ratio A/2:B. It is false.
False.
This is the median, midpoint, and this is another triangle, similar triangle. So if this is A, this is B. Simple. This the ratio will be the ratio of the median will be always A by B. Okay. So the option C is wrong. The option D is their angle bisectors have a ratio A square ratio B square. This is also wrong because the answer should be only A ratio B. Clear? Now next question. The length of shadow of a stick 5 meter long is 2 meter. See question. Everyone listen the question carefully. In question number 5, what is given? In number 5, it is given that a stick is there. The length of shadow of a stick 5 meter long. This is a 5 meter long stick. See, and this is a plane. Now the shadow of this stick. This is the shadow. It is given that the shadow of the stick is 2 meter. Okay. Now the question is at the same time the shadow of a tree 12.5 meter height will be what? Got it? This is a tree. The height of the tree is 12.5. What will be the length of the shadow?
5 meter. 5.
This will be x. It means that you are understanding. According to the scale, you can see the scale. The scale is 5:2 or 2:5. This is the scale. So it means that 5 by 2 equal to 12.5 by x. Clear? So what will be the value of x? So 5x equal to 25 and x equal to 5. It means that the length of the shadow of the tree will be 5 meter. Got it?
Yes.
Now next question. Next question is, you can see the figure. Are you able to see the figure? Everyone, can you see the figure? Okay, just I am going through it. The question is, below you see a student's mathematical model of a farmhouse. See, this is a mathematical model of a farmhouse. The attic floor ABCD in the model is a square. You can see ABCD. This is a square. I am going to draw here a figure also. What is this? I don't know. I am trying to draw the perfect figure, but actually I am not getting success. Again I am trying. Don't laugh. Yes, this is the correct figure.
Good afternoon, everyone. All of you stand up for the prayer. Join your hands to use your eyes and
So we will do this question in the next class, okay?